guys, welcome to today's video. We are doing the difference between sub and mid. Sub on this one, very mono, it's just a sine wave, random down. Super simple for the time being, because we're going to do the difference between, like, think of it like a band, guitar, electric guitar and bass guitar, two separate roles in the music. Electric guitar's job is it's more distorted, style, and I want you to think about this as in your mid bass. And for the mid bass, we're going to use distorted sine waves. So let me just play through this little jam. Cool, so the drums and the kick. This is the drums without the kick. I've got the clipper and I'm at 200% there. So over clipping it. Some nasty frequencies in there that we might want to get rid of. So let's just get the Pro Q. And the frequencies is these ones. Lower them out. Get rid of the bass or the sub energy. We can try a little boost there, 11k. We've got a bit of reverb here, but it's just a short reverb. The kick is on its own. So I'm not processing my kick with the rest of the drums. The sub I just showed you, get rid of this for now. And what's this one? A bit more mid stuff, so I'll put that in there. And I'm actually gonna double this up now, get rid of the mid stuff, and I'm just gonna go into Serum and show you. We've got Serum 2, and I'll show you what I'm talking about now. This mid bass is totally not sub 8 one bit. And we're gonna like sort of abuse the distortions and things with this. Okay, so random down. Let's try it. Arm it. Get a note. Now I'm gonna go in the effects. The first thing I'm gonna do is equalizer. Get rid of that low end. Okay, so you can't hear anything. Distort now. Let's try this diode. Okay, now move this back. And we want a few boosts as well, like cool. Another filter now. Still a lot of mid energy there, so let's find a different filter to get rid of that sub. Bit of movement. Cool, let's drag it in now here. Get some EQ, and I'm just gonna cut out the bottom again. Do some cool frequencies. And then what you want to do is, let's try saturator actually, let's drive it a bit more. So we're actually shaping the drive. But anyway, let's get an auto filter. One of the main ones here, I'm going to go to this setting here, band pass. Bit more drive. I've used a lot of drive on different stuff, got the LFO here. Cool, and then if I right click, freeze and flatten or bounce. Cool, now out of this bit of audio, we can go at it again, but we're going to do a chop and a warp, see if we can get. Okay, so like this bit for example. Let's put it on the snare. Cool. and then try this bit here, a little ramp up. Cool, let's try a bit more distortion on that. Cool, bit of reverb. Nice, and double it up. And add a little bit of something from earlier, not that. A bit of this. Ready for it, and we'll double that up now. Not bad. I'll lead it to the rest of the tune and have a listen. Cool, so I hope that's helped you a little bit. Presets, all that down below, link below. Free sample pack, that's a pretty sick free sample pack from December. If you've not grabbed that, grab that. But if not, see you next time.